Hello everybody. Microsoft is releasing feature on feature every time. It's very hard to remember all the features. Today I'm going to explain about most commonly used two important features to access them easily using new search box in Excel. One is conditional formatting, the second one is a data validation. Now they made one easy search box. Suppose if you would like to apply the conditional format, select the range of cells and right click, and on the top of the right click menu you can see the search box. Here type conditional format and select the conditional formatting and go to the data bar, select the gradient fill. So like this, any conditional format you can choose here. Suppose if you would like to clear the conditional format, especially in this selected range, right click and search for conditional format, go to clear rules and clear rules from selected cells. This will easily clear the conditional format from the selected range of the cells. If you would like to create the data validation for the names, you don't have to search through all the menus and where the data validation feature is available. Simply right click on any of the cells where you would like to apply the data validation, and in the search box just type the data validation and you can easily apply the data validation. Under the allow box, choose list and select your list of the items and then click OK. It's that much easy. You can see all the names are available in the drop down. You can choose any one of these. If you would like to clear the data validation, then how to clear without search through all the options on the menus. Right click in the search box, just type clear. You can see the clear all option available. Just hit clear all. It will clear your data validation. Please let me know your thoughts on the comment box. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more and more videos. Thank you.